Told you that I'm not gonna go skiing every day because there is a lot of stuff you can do. I'm gonna go at SASS PORDOI. This is a kind of balcony over the Dolomites. In 5 minutes at 3,000 meters. It's something special to sit here alone and to enjoy this panorama. I'm really happy that I come here. I had to hike a little bit here on SASS PORDOI to enjoy the view better and to see what's behind. And for this I'm gonna launch spacey. It's a little bit windy, but it's not. When I say spacey, I mean my Mavic Mini, if you didn't know. Okay, interesting stuff. Wow, but the view, wow. I was so crazy, but I'm not. I'm gonna just sit here and see everything from up. Drone. Get the drone. Drones like spacey. It's a little problematic. So the spacey is back, but I'm happy I recovered the drone and I have some areas from full experience to be here. Now today is Wednesday and is my 4th day here in the Dolomites, and because it's early today and the weather is so nice, I'm gonna try to get to LAGAZOI. Let's see if I can. I made it to LAGAZOI, over 3,000 meters. The weather is amazing and the view, I told you, this is one of the most scenic slopes. Lagazuoi, 10 kilometer fun. 10 kilometers ski fun. Crazy amazing. I love it. I mean, look at the panorama. Sometimes I take a step back and I take a minute to enjoy the view. Here at Lagazuoi.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know.
Alright. This was fun with horses.
Let me figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
This behind me is Lagazuoi. I guess the best time Whoa. Best time for the Dolomites is mid-December, like 15 December. There are not so many people, but there are not all slopes open. Then after 10 January until February. In February it's high season again, it's a lot. So there are a lot of people. And then back again from 5 March, I think, until April is coming. Sometimes you can even go skiing in April here.
I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
If you are skiing so much, sometimes you get to meet the snow. It's happening.